and welcome back. In today's analysis, we have got some exciting setups for you, so let's dive in. First, on the gold chart, we had a downtrend that extended to the support zone. At this level, we saw a reaction and the beginning of an upward trend. In this uptrend, we expect a triangle pattern to form, and we expect wave C to possibly extend to 78 level. And after hitting this area, the price could enter a corrective trend, completing the triangle pattern accordingly. After the triangle pattern ends, which may act as a correction, we expect the downtrend to continue on the chart. If the price manages to break and stabilize above the 78 level, the triangle will be invalidated and a diametric pattern might form on the chart. In that scenario, we again expect the price to move toward the green resistance zone and the descending trend line. As long as the price does not stabilize above this area, we expect the downtrend to continue. However, if it stabilizes above this zone, it could lead to a continuation of the upward trend and the end of a previous downtrend. Next, we have Euro USD. On the Euro USD chart, considering the recent downtrend which reached the identified support zone, we witnessed a reaction. And in this section of the chart, there is a potential ABC pattern forming. Since the corrective move has ended in a three-wave structure, we may now see a bullish movement develop on this chart. Within this ABC structure, we expect a triangle pattern to form, with price completing it accordingly. Upon completing wave C, an upward trend may start on this chart, with a potential extension at least to the 61.8 level, and depending on the price action during the rally, it could extend to 78% and even 100%. A break below the identified support zone could lead to a continuation of the downtrend toward the next support level on this chart. On the Bitcoin chart, following the end of the corrective move formed in this zone, we have seen a bullish wave appear, which may represent an X wave, and we could still expect the full WXY pattern to form. In this area, price may continue moving until the wave Y completes above the current support zone. This range might experience time and price consolidation, and as long as the price could fluctuate above it, the upward trend may remain the dominant scenario. In this case, we expect the corrective structure to continue this way, and once the correction ends, the bullish trend may resume. However, if this zone breaks, it could invalidate the bullish scenario. On the Dow Jones chart, we are witnessing a breakout of resistance levels, and also the formation of a higher high compared to the previous one. In this zone, the uptrend continued, and we expect this corrective structure to progress above the green support zone within a projected time frame. We anticipate a WXY pattern to form in this area, leading to a prolonged corrective phase above the green support zone, after which the upward trend could resume. Naturally, if the green support zone is broken, a continuation of the downtrend to the next support area becomes a likely scenario on this chart. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.